The Intellimali merchant portal allows you as a merchant to experience detailed access to expenditure in store. To get access, go to www.intellimali.coza and select Login as a merchant. Enter your username and password and select Login. The merchant portal is customized to each merchant. Please click onto your account and ensure that your details are accurate and up to date, and make changes if necessary. By clicking on Reports, you will be brought to the Reports section, where you can download a report showing all the transactions that have occurred at your store. To get detailed reports and report summaries, you can access and download all the information by choosing either the Merchant Report by Institution, or Merchant Statement. Choose the file format you require, either in PDF or Microsoft Excel format. Choose the time period for your report from beginning to ending date, as well as year. Then click on Download Report. Please note that the report may take some time to generate, depending on the number of transactions that have occurred. By selecting Merchant Statement, you are able to download your latest statement. Clicking on Invoices will allow you to download your latest invoices from Intellimali. Select the year and the month you require and download what you need. Contact us for any questions you may have.